I'm back again with the video. This time we're going to talk about what you need to know before even starting the blend. Okay, so we talked about the carrier or the base herbs, the herbs with a specific supportive role, herbs that you use for flavoring. Okay, so let's talk about how much to use if you're going to do your own personalized blend. That I didn't tell y'all about. So now I'm going to cover that real quickly because hubby has me on a clock here. He doesn't want me to go a certain time. Okay, so here we go. Let's get into this. So you want to use 2 tablespoons of a base herb. Okay, this is for your own personal blend. Okay, so for the base, you want to go light and fluffy. So we're going to use mullein. So we got 1, 2. Okay. Now I have mugwort right here, but I'm going to tell you what I did earlier today. I went ahead and I'm going to show you all what it looks like when you fluff them up. What I did, I ran this through the coffee grinder. And this is what this this is what the mugwort looks like if you fluff it. So I'm just going to break those little pieces up. I'm just gonna, that was probably about a tablespoon if you actually push that down in there. And then I'm going to add this right here, not grind up, but it really fluffs it up. So that's a little trick. If you want to fluff up your herbs like mullein, mugwort, raspberry leaf, marshmallow leaf, you run it through the coffee grinder and you will get this here. So just mix that up a little bit because we're going to need for that base herb to catch the smaller herbs that we're going to put in here. Okay, so once we do that, we want to do I'm going to go ahead and add the lemon balm. This is another base that I'm using. Mix that up a little bit. You want to start out with tablespoons, okay? And then we're going to go ahead and go into the specific herbs, okay? We're going to go ahead and use this one here, Damiana. We're going to add that. We're doing 2 of these because we're going down a rabbit hole, okay? We're going to do 2. And we're going to mix this up real good. Get in there. Because we want it to be able to catch the other herbs. Because we're going to give it a real good shake. And then we're going to go ahead and add the flavoring, okay? So, calendula. Some people call it calendula. I like calendula. It sounds fancy. If I had to be trapped anywhere, and I had to take a herb with me, I think it would be calendula. Because I just love this herb. I love it. Okay, so we're adding 1. And what the blend that I'm making, I sell this on my site. It's called Ray of Sunshine. And the reason why I name it Ray of Sunshine is because of the calendula. I love calendula. And if you've never tried it as a herbal smoke, it smells amazing. I mean, it really does. It smells amazing. So we're just going to mix this up real good. You can see that yellow color coming through there. And then what we're going to go ahead and add is the Blue Lotus. Okay. So we're going to, now remember, this is a personalized mixture. So we're going to go 1, 2. I did a little, y'all know I love putting a little extra Blue Lotus in there now. Come on now. Okay, so, and then once we do that, what I have here is passion flower, yarrow, and skullcap. So if you zoom in, you can see the little seeds in there. For the yarrow, you can see the passion flower, and you can see the skullcap, which is the little bitty stick-like pieces in here. So what I'm going to do with that is, because these are so fine and so tiny, and we need for the base to catch this, we're not going to use a whole lot of it. So what I have here is a teaspoon, okay? And I'm going to use a teaspoon. I'm going to try to get every little piece. Now, this is your personalized blend, okay? if you're doing a personalized blend. Now, you go how you want it. If you want it more than that, you add more than that. But starting out, I would suggest this be your measurement if you are doing your personalized blend. And then I have this up under here because we're going to give it a good little shake. And this is the blend, the herbal blend that I sell on my site, a Ray of Sunshine, and this is what it looks like. And it also comes in the tin. So also, something else I forgot to tell you all on the last video that I did, if the herbs are too dry, you have to determine how dry that is. What you do, you get a spritz bottle. You spritz the herbs a little bit. I can't tell you how much water to use because, again, you may not use my blend. You may use somebody else's blend, but you just spritz it just a little bit. And you can add a little bit of honey to that as well. And then if you over spritz it, take the lid off, leave it out overnight, and it will dry back up. It's just trial and error, but it gives for a better smoke, and it makes it more palatable if you spritz it with a little bit of water, because herbs can be very, very dry. So I hope this helps, and we're going to do some more smokable blends at another time. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel.